Let's go.
Okay. We are gathered here today on the 14th of November, 2010 to celebrate the joining of matrimony for Elena Carlise Rivas to Danny William Chase McGee. Do you promise to cherish one another when you fight over toys?
Say yes.
Yes.
Do you promise to say nice things to each other?
Yes.
Do you have the lollipops?
Oh, I have them.
Hold these.
Hold these.
Okay. Now it's time to exchange lollipops.
Trade.
Switch lollipops. Give him the red one. There you go.
There you go. Look at each other.
With these lollipops, do you promise to take care of each other?
Yes.
Okay, with these lollipops. What was I gonna say? Okay. Do you take him to be your little husband? Yes. I do.
Yes. Say I do.
I do.
You do?
Do you take her to be your little wife?
Yes.
I do, Danny.
I do.
Elena did the I do for him.
Okay. By the power invested in me, myself, Amy McGee, and Mallory Rivas,
She's eating the lollipop.
best friends, I now pronounce you little wife and little husband. Give each other kisses.
Beso, Elena, right on the lips. Oh my gosh! One more. Wait, hold on, wait. Yeah, do arms up again. Big beso.
Hold it, Danny. Kiss her.
Oh my gosh! One more for the show.
Hold it, Danny. Hold it.
Oh, you're married.
I'm pronouncing Mallory.
You can eat the lollipop now. Are you happy to be married, Danny?
That lollipop will be as long as your wedding.
Are you happy to be married?
Are you happy
No,
to be
you're
married,
not.
Danny? Yeah? What's your best part about being married?
We dancing.
Dancing?
The dancing? What about you? What's the best part? The lollipop?
Do you want an annulment, Elena?
I think she does.
Go to my daddy. You want to be married to dad?
Ask her if she wants to go to your room.
Want to go to my room?
Really?
Okay, go.
Come on.
Honeymoon. Hold hands. Hold on. You're being too cute. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, wait. Sun's down. Okay. Where are you gonna go?
I go Mickey Mouse.
Oh, Elena. Hold on. You're gonna go Mickey Mouse? Are you guys gonna go to Disneyland?
Yeah.
Oh, for your honeymoon?
Yeah.
You are? What are you gonna do? What's the first thing you're gonna do? Check into the hotel?
I go. We are doing our rides. We're going rides.
Rides, Big Cheese?
What rides are you going to go on?
Dumbo.
Dumbo?
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye.